Hey there, my Stampin' friends. Susan here. I've got sketch number 42 for you today. We're going to be playing with the Les Shops DSP. We're going to use some scrap from a previous project, and I'm pairing this new panel with basic white. So here is the larger panel cut down into 3 sections. We're using the 2x3 for this project. Then here's the scrap. I'm going to salvage 2 1x3 sections for this project. I decided to do a mounting piece as a background texture with the distressed tile embossing folder, and I'm using nature prints with Night and Navy for my sentiment, and that's die cut from a Timeless Arrangements die. So here are all the parts and pieces for the project, and remember, all the cutting instructions can be found on my special mini tutorials email. You just need to subscribe. So to start, I'm going to wrap my Night and Navy ribbon around my embossed panel of cardstock. You can see I kind of do it in 4 steps here. In the end, we're going to add that finished panel to the front of our card with dimensionals. Then we're going to create our focal image of those 3 pieces of DSP. So I'm going to take the 2 thinner sections, the 1-inch sections, and put them down outside the boundaries of the 2x3 section. Then the 2x3 section will be adhered over the top. So I just add a little bit of adhesive on the insides of those coral pieces, and then I position the 2x3 over the top of that. So now it's time to layer up our elements. First the focal piece with dimensionals, and then I'm going to add the sentiment as well, just offset to the left there. And then here's our final project. So this one's quick and easy, a great way to use up some scrap DSP. I hope you enjoyed it. Remember, thumbs up and leave me comments. You can also subscribe to the YouTube channel here, or you can grab my newsletter just by subscribing with the links below. Hope you enjoyed the project today, everyone, and we'll stamp again real soon.